Congratulations, CK family, for your marriage. May God bless you. May you live long. May you have a good stay long. Yeah.
Thank you, CK family. We can congratulate you. We say thank you for everything. We are together. We are one family. Big up, my guys. Big up.
To the CK family, I wish you a happy stay in your marriage. God bless. Thank you. CK family, humble you.
My name is Mares. Congratulations, CK family, for your marriage. May you stay long. May God bless you. Happy marriage. Thank you.
CK family, congratulations. We congratulate you for your wedding. Weni msee wa watu tunakujua. Awaje.
My name is William Owade. Thank you, CK family, for everything. We say thank you for everything. Biggest moment. We are together in this. Big up, my guys. More life, my niggas. Thank you.
My name is Victor. To the CK family, mine is to wish you a happy stay in your marriage. Congrats, God bless. We are together in this.
CK family, congratulations. CK family, congratulations. The CK family, congratulations.
CK family, yeah, I wish you peace. They're with you. Thank you.
My name is William Owade. Thank you, CK family, for everything. We say thank you for everything. Biggest moment. We are together in this. Big up, my guys. More life, my niggas. Thank you.
Congratulations, CK family, for your marriage. May God bless you. May you live long. May you have a good stay long. Yeah.
Thank you, CK family. We can congratulate you. We say thank you for everything. We are together. We are one family. Big up, my guys. Big up.
To the CK family, I wish you a happy stay in your marriage. God bless. Thank you. CK family, humble you.